Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something from Taiwan. What do we have here? Let's find out. Oh, cool. So it's been a long time since I've gotten anything from Mom's Dry Noodle, and they've been on the top 10 list quite a bit. Top 10 Taiwan, top 10 global. And they've got some new products, so let's have a look. So this is a new one. This is a bowl. I haven't seen any Mom's Dry Noodle bowl. This is their original flavor vermicelli with scallop, and I've had some varieties that they've made that have scallop in them, and they've been really good, so we'll have to check this out. So this is something new. There's a couple varieties in this range to look at. This is a goose oil jajang noodle. I think that's what it says here. Yeah, goose oil jajang noodle. Jajang is a black bean paste, and goose oil makes everything like richer, more slippery. And yeah, and this is a new packaging design too. Very cool. Looking forward to trying this. And here's another new one. This is a Mapo Century egg with meat paste noodle. Yeah, this sounds good. Everything that they've made that's meaty has been really quite good. Well, cool. Thanks very much to Kyle and Perry and everybody over at Mom's Dry Noodle for sending this over. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. And like I said, they've been on the top 10 list quite a bit, and there's good reason. Their stuff is awesome. So yeah, with that, go check them out. You can probably find them in the U.S. pretty easily at your Asian grocer. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.